Hi class, let's take a look at example 4. So no region is provided. We're going to have to come up with the sketch on this one. And here's what we have. So we technically have the line y is equal to x going in this direction. So this is our y is equal to x. And then we technically have the parabola, and that would be the x squared. So we're talking about not to scale, but that one is a little bit too wide. So not to scale. Okay, so let me. Okay, a little bit better. Not great, but nonetheless, this is the region that we're talking about, and this one happens to be y is equal to x squared. So if we're looking for the intersections, well, you're just going to have where x squared is equal to x, or where x squared minus x is equal to 0, or x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1. So this is actually what's going to give us the bands of integration. Now, the actual volume of this particular one, and they're not asking for us to come up with a sketch because it's going to end up being a little bit messy. So the sketch of this one, and I'm going to attempt to draw it. Well, it's going to have this cone, sort of a shape. And then this is going to be the outer portion, along with the x squared. The x squared, it's actually only visible from the inside. So I'm going to draw that with a dotted line. So that's what it sort of looks like, similar to another problem that we did earlier. But yet again, they're not asking for the sketch. So let's actually calculate the volume. So for this particular one, the volume is equal to pi integral from, well, we found that the bounds of integration are from technically 0 to 1. So 0 to 1, and the function that happens to be on the top is the x. So we're going to square this function minus the x squared. So this will be x squared squared dx. So we're looking at this one being pi integral from 0 to 1, x to the second minus x to the fourth dx, or the values of pi times x to the third divided by 3 minus x to the 5 divided by 5, evaluated from 0 to 1. So this is simply pi times 1/3 minus 1/5, with an LCD of 15. So multiply times 5 and multiply times 3. So we're going to end up with pi times 5/3 minus 3. Whoops, it's supposed to be 15 now. 3/15, or this will be 2/15 of pi. That would be the final answer. So total volume this is equal to 2/15 pi units to the third power. Not too bad. What could result messy to come up with this one is basically the shape that it results. The main idea is just to come up with the region. Once you have the region, then you're okay. The rest of it is just evaluating the formula. So this is the region that I'm talking about. That's technically what's needed. And you don't actually have to come up with this. Some of these are really messy depending on the functions that we're actually bounding.